famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. And remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel, and we cook what we have in our homes. So basically this means we are not chefs, we just cook what we can afford and what we have in our house. And I just simply bring you an ordinary and relatable content so that you can also do the same for your family and at home. Now let us cook seafood boil. I know there's somebody who said, hey, family member, my family, please make us a seafood boil. Okay, disclaimer first of all, I'm trying a seafood boil. I'm not an expert, I'm not perfect, I'm still learning, ne? So I'm just gonna mix up everything and we'll see. Anyway, re tlo tlhakantsha everything, re tla bona go pele, okay? Ka mogho o tsenang ka relationship o sa tsore yo feletsa kae. Yes, exactly. We apply the same mechanism. I've just showcased my spices. You saw there was a fish spice, everything. The mussel jaka, I showed you the mussel. Okay, what did I do with my mussels? Kadi mussel jaka, kidiloke jaka ovening for just a low heat, obviously, because I love them soft. And we also had our prawns, queen prawns, and kamalaki matzapani, like potatoes. Already they are peeled, and then I'm gonna put 5 eggs. You're not about to put the whole tray in the pot because wow, child, in South Africa each egg causes 70 rand. Okay, fine. Kilokela my baby sweet corn, baby corn. I wanted to buy the ordinary sweet corn, but then the dude was like, we ran out of stock. I was like, okay, let me take baby corns, right? Ke lokela di corn jaka tsa ke di lokela mala ka spitinyana yo di lotela di botsana la di bona di mola stove on shetse ke kwatile ba le wa tsara ke thoma content the same way o thoma relationship mara sa tsebi la di rata na di relationship gape ke mola ke a chela mola la bona re these are my peeled baby potatoes and then sweet corn and eggs, kimala butter. Okay, another thing that I discovered about seafood boil is that you need to use a lot of butter. And then I didn't use a lot of butter because I'm afraid of cholesterol. Child, basically normal seafood, when we say this is a normal seafood, the butter must be, I don't know, a lot of it. And I was like, there is no way I'm gonna take a whole brick of butter and a whole brick of butter and just put it. No, I can't. So I had to subsidize it, or I want to say subsidize or kilibage, because it's at night. Like I told you, I do my content at night, so I'm tired. It's fine. The baby prawns. My younger brother would be yes, kidichi chela jarana ratlakancha hey, when one thing I like about them, di chenchakalaka spitinya no talkhaniki loji dunja, you will think it's something that you are something that is not eatable, but it is, and they're very nice. My different spices. Remember, when it comes to spices, we hide, child of God. No, I'm not hiding intentionally. It's because I'm not being like, there's nobody sponsoring the channel so far. And then I'm not about to promote spices, okay? Free of charge for what? For the what? Hey, when a December so I'm just saying, Kimola di spice jaga mola, and I have a spade the cow must not take out all the feces or the stools, in simplest English. I mean, if it takes all the stools and something are just behind the scene, okay? You don't even know how they create content. There's a behind the scene that you are not seeing. Anyway, there's a little bit of water. Obviously, I didn't put it. They're watery, okay? I don't know what happened. But make sure that you cook them with a very low heat so that you don't burn things the same way you burn other people's relationships. I'm just saying. So make sure that you cook them nicely. They look so cute. Okay, this is the little I can take because if I want my sauce, now we are making a sauce. If I want my sauce to be enough, it means under normal circumstances I must even use the whole block of butter. And tell me how butter you. So I can't, guys, I can't. Now when it comes to oil and everything, I can't. Look, already it's a lot. That's one thing I hate about seafood. This butter that a whole month's butter, like so I am not about to do that or to call desserts. Okay, behind the scene, I chopped my onion. I don't know why is it not appearing, because I clearly took content of that. I chopped my onion and I chopped my chili pepper. And yeah, put your onion and chili pepper inside your pot and stir. On the other hand, I took my... Okay, this one, I say a must, okay? It's not a must, it's preferable. It's just preference. If you prefer to do it, yeah, you can. It's a tomato paste, okay? Tomato paste for a little bit of color, a reddish color. And my tomato paste, it doesn't go alone. It goes hand in glove with orange juice. It gives a very nice sour taste. Like it tastes really good. So I mixed up everything together. Now while I'm still mixing things up, as if it's a love potion for that boyfriend of yours that you love that he doesn't love you back. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share the video, right? So ke nna mala ke ya ke chela everything together, ke di mix jalo dilo di a tlhakana di a kopana, okay? Bona vela is a relationship into ke di in-laws, families are meeting up. It's about to be a serious thing, okay? So make sure that you mix your mixture together. Kuro tlhakantsha everything di a tlhakana kuro lo bona ke December o tlhakantsha di 2 rand le di 2 bobo. Bona that money you've been saving up throughout the whole year, it's time to mix it up because it is December, honey, okay? So ke mala dilo di a tlhakana ke December go tlhakane go right go sharp. For a few minutes, you're gonna leave it for some few minutes just to blend together. Okay, it's coming alright. It's blending slowly but surely. Okay, and remember, in the beginning we boiled what? We boiled our baby potatoes, and we also boiled baby corn, and including our eggs. Okay, so again, my potatoes, baby potatoes, they are babies, okay? They are babies. Don't be fooled by the size. They are very small. I don't want to lie. So they are very small. You know, we have camera can be very much deceiving. So yeah, content that is always being created at night. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah, I'm sorry. While I'm still yarning, make sure subscribe, like, and comment down below. What kind of a meal would you like to see in this channel, okay? Muscle, honey. Does he have muscles? Or the Lord is the king? Anyway, I reka di muscle, okay? I'm just saying. The beauty of a man is inside his pockets. I'm just saying. So make sure that you mix up everything together, okay? Off camera, I'm also included our prawns, our queen prawns, and our eggs. Then add any favorite spices. Remember, in the beginning of the video, I showed Kate my fish spices. Now the food is done. Oh, it was so delicious, scrumptious, nice, perfect. So thank you very much. These are the food. Oh, I didn't. Listen, I ate and left this one prawn. So thank you very much, famies, for watching this video. I really appreciate your presence. I appreciate your support. Make sure that you subscribe. If you can't subscribe, at least do the Lord's work by commenting down below. If you can't comment down below, at least like the video. And yeah, let us meet next time. And I just want to bless you. I pray that you become well. If there's any sickness in your body, we cancel it by the blood of Jesus. May God cover you and your children in this festive season until we meet again, famies.